Class, here is the quick and dirty way of how to stream live video with YouTube. Sign into YouTube, then go over to your account, click on your picture, go to Creator Studio, click on that, and then over here on the left you'll get some new options. One of them is Video Manager. If you click on Video Manager, it'll open up, and then below that there's two options that show up. One of them is Live Events. We're going to click on Live Events, and then we've got to give it a name. So let's say New Live Event. Click on this button up here, and we're going to call it Quick and Dirty Instructional. Okay, that's basically it. That's all I want to do. We're going to use the default, which is quick, and that uses Hangouts on Air. I'm going to say go live now, and boom, it says ready to go. So I click on this, and sure enough, I get a window that is kind of enormous. I'm going to shrink this down a little bit, and you can see that this is my Hangout on Air video streaming. And we're not actually streaming yet, right? I'm recording this. You'll see in a minute where there's going to be an indicator both the top and the bottom that says, you know, we're not ready to actually stream, but it'll buffer up, and then once that happens, we're going to go live, and you'll see it. So here we are. We're currently off the air in both of these indications. Okay, off the air, but it's spinning up 0%. It's doing a bunch of things. Once that happens, you'll see that we will be on the air, and it'll say, are you ready to broadcast? And I'll say broadcast now. So just give it another second, start broadcast, I go boom, and sure enough, we are now live. These are some tools that you can use. They show up on the side, right? These widgets, I can add headwear, I can randomize it, I can do whatever I want. So if we do this, boom, I get a hat. If we randomize, I get a whole bunch of things, and there you go. And if I turn them all off, I click on this. Now the question you might have is, boy, are we really broadcasting live on YouTube? And the answer is yes. And the way you find out is right here, this link. If I click on this guy and save it, Control C, and just close this out. Control C will show us that if I go and open a new tab, paste it, and let's just make it a little smaller just so we can see where it fits. Let's do this. Shrink this down quite a bit, move it over here. As you can see on my YouTube list, Quick and Dirty Instructional, stream is starting soon, but in reality I'm already streaming. We're ahead of the curve. Live events, YouTube. Hang on, let's go Hangout Plus, and my other one, Quick and Dirty. And here. Okay, so this is not broadcasting yet, so we're going to start broadcasting. Hangout on Air will broadcast up to 8 hours. Click OK. And if we watch this happen, now we're starting, and sure enough, we're waiting on this side, right? The stream is starting soon. But on this side, it says we're starting, and I'm doing, you know, whatever over here, just kind of stalling. Once this thing goes live, we can start counting. And oh, we're live now. Okay, so live broadcast. This will update as well, and it says live. Okay, now watch this one over here. The actual video stream, it's a little bit behind, but we'll just wait until that comes up, and you'll get to see that through YouTube using the Hangouts on Air tool, which has the encoder from Hangouts, so you can do video and audio streaming from it. Broadcast, and now it shows us on the other side as well. So this guy is in the past. Now watch this guy is in the future. The actual video stream. So look at the difference in time, right? It's but we'll just a little bit delayed. It comes up, and you'll get. And let's see while we're here. Let's see play through YouTube using the Hangouts on Air tool, which has the encoder from Hangouts, so you can do video and audio streaming. Broadcast, and now it shows on the side. So this guy
is in the past.
Actually, that guy's in the future. All right, it's opening cameraman. I don't know what this app's going to do.
It's
Broadcast settings. Oh, we don't want any of that. Let's turn that off.
Let's see what we see.
What else do we have?
Using the Hangouts on Cameraman.
We've got all these other tools here. Capture images. There's even more.
Video and audio streaming broadcast.
And that's kind of a lot of stuff going on. So from the future, I'm going to shut this off, and you can see that we have one playing over on the other side.
Let's turn that off. See what we see. Get all these capture images. More. A lot of stuff going on.
This is a bit too much feedback for me, everybody. See you later. Let's just watch what happens to the end now. Because now, this guy is still live. Let's see how it ends. And then all of a sudden, this goes on to live. That's how it works. So now you've seen me broadcast live and actually view live my own video feed. I hope everybody's got it figured out. It's easy enough to try. And if you go and spread this around and, through your posts on Google+, Facebook, whatever, you can tell people when to show up where and watch your video stream live, so you can have any health event broadcast immediately as long as you have an internet connection and a verified YouTube account. Good work.